The Zen cups are the thimble-shaped cups. There's a larger size and a smaller size depending on what part of the body you're going to cup. The base on both of the cups is nice and thick, so when you put it on the body, it's going to give you a nice strong seal. It's super durable. It's going to stand up to everyday use. Makes it a great choice for cellulite cupping. You can use it every day in the shower and they won't break down.